Samsung is back at it again, and this time, they're bringing something big. Meet the upcoming Samsung Galaxy A74, the next mid-range powerhouse set to shake up 2025. How will it stack up against the competition, and should Apple fans be worried? Let's dive in. The Galaxy A series has been a sleeper hit for years, but the A74 is stepping up its game. Samsung seems to be taking a page from its flagship S series, and this phone is looking more premium than ever. Let's talk display. We're looking at a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED panel with a buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Expect vibrant colors, deep blacks, and an ultra-responsive experience, perfect for gaming and content consumption. Now, if you're an Apple user, you might be thinking, how does it compare to my iPhone? While Apple's promotion display is no joke, Samsung's AMOLED technology still leads the way in sheer vibrancy and customization. Under the hood, we could be seeing the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 or Samsung's own Exynos 2400, depending on the region. That means flagship-level performance at a fraction of the cost. And, of course, we expect at least 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. Compared to the latest iPhones, Samsung might have an edge in raw specs, but Apple's iOS optimization is still hard to beat. That said, Android 14 on the A74 is expected to bring AI-powered enhancements, better battery efficiency, and deeper customization. Now, cameras, this is where things get interesting. A rumored 108 megapixels main sensor with improved night photography, a 12 megapixels ultra-wide, and a new telephoto lens. Samsung is clearly pushing mid-range photography to the next level. But can it outshoot the iPhone? While Apple's image processing and deep fusion tech still deliver some of the most natural-looking shots, Samsung's higher megapixel count and aggressive HDR might appeal more to those who love ultra-detailed images. And here's something Apple users might envy: fast charging. We're expecting a massive 5000 mAh battery with 45W fast charging, getting you from 0 to 50% in under 30 minutes. Meanwhile, iPhones are still capped at around 27W. But here's the real kicker: the price. The A74 is expected to launch at around $500 to $600, making it a serious threat to Apple's iPhone SE and even the base iPhone 15. So, should Apple be worried? Well, if you're deep in the Apple ecosystem, the iPhone still has its seamless experience and software longevity. But if you're open to Android, Samsung's A74 is shaping up to be an unbeatable value for money device in 2025. What do you think? Would you consider switching from iPhone to Samsung for this feature-packed mid-ranger? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech updates. See you in the next one.